are doing good. Today I am going to show you how to make adorable and cute paper bag with construction paper. You can carry treats and sweets in the bag. I will show you how to make it. It is also perfect to give gifts. Materials needed. We need a circular object like this. We need 4 construction paper of your choice. We need a paintbrush. We need glue. We need scissors. Steps to make the paper bag. We need construction paper. I have picked one color for the base of the bag, and I have chosen 3 colors for the decorations. Let's take one color for the base and keep the others aside. Let's take our circular object or plate and put it down. And then outline it. After tracing, let's cut the circle out. After cutting the circle, let's fold it in a half, like this, with the ends, like this. After you have done it, let's fold each side of the folded circle, like this. Do the same with the other side, like this. After you've done that, open it up again and then push the outside inwards. And you should push it in, like this. So, like this. Do the same with the other side. Open it up and push this one in. Like that. Now we have a structure like this. Now let's open it up and glue only the sides with our glue and paintbrush. Just a little bit. And then stick them together. Do the same with the other side. Take some glue, just put just a little touch, and then stick it. Like this. You should get a little pocket right in the middle of the circle. Now let's move on to the decorations. Let's start decorating. Let's take your pencil and draw some curvy lines on the top to make a design. After you have drawn that, let's take our scissors and cut it out in both sides like this. Make sure to cut all, and it will come in the other side. After cutting the curvy lines on the top, let's keep it aside and use the excess construction paper from earlier. Let's take our pencil and draw a straight line. Just a little bit. Make 2. Making some lines like this, let's take our scissors and cut them out. Doesn't have to be perfect. After cutting 2 strips, aside for now. Let's take our 2 strips and stick it right on top of the paper bag like a handle. After sticking the strips on the top like a handle, let's keep it aside and let's use our other colors of construction paper. I'm going to use the yellow color for a flower. Let's take a yellow construction paper, a round object. Let's take our pencil as well. Let's draw a circle with it. After drawing a circle, let's draw a spring inside the circle, out like this. After drawing the spiral inside the yellow circle, let's cut the yellow circle out. Cut it right on top of the lines of the circle. After cutting it, now let's cut the spiral inside the circle. After cutting the spiral like this, let's roll it in all the way to the bottom. I have rolled it into a flower. Now let's take our paintbrush and glue. Just take a little bit. Just glue one of the sides, like right here. After you glued it, let's attach the excess right on. Like this. Now you have a flower. Now, let's take our bag from earlier and take our flower and take the glue and stick it on the bag, just one by one. Now let's take our flower and glue it on. Like this. Do the same with the other colors. I have done decorating my paper bag with some flowers